This is Workland. For a long time, Workland has been divided by a large, intimidating wall. On the one side is the wired network. On the other is the wireless one. The apps that work on one side often don't work on the other. Different policies and security processes can be confusing and frustrating, and performance isn't consistent. The users who switch from one device to another easily at home think the corporation is restrictive and outdated. But the administrators don't have it easy either. Troubleshooting is a nightmare. They don't know which side the problem is on, and they have to keep up two sets of, well, everything. But something is coming that will tear this wall down. It's Unified Access by Alcatel-Lucent, and it allows your wired and wireless to be one network. Now you can experience high-quality performance on both Wi-Fi and LAN. Users are more productive than ever. They now have access to the same applications as they switch from desktop to smartphone to tablet. And the system is smart enough to prioritize access, giving the board's video conference more bandwidth than the employee's cat video. With a single registration process, a single set of policies, and single-pane visibility and control of the whole system, the IT department can dedicate its resources to strategic projects, not daily obstacles. Alcatel-Lucent's converged campus network with unified access. One network, one management, and application fluent.